Apple Watch 7, release date, price, features and leaks. The Apple Watch 7 might be months away from launch, but thanks to some early rumors and familiarly with Apple's smartwatch lineup, we already have an idea about what the next-gen model will offer. As a follow-up to the Apple Watch Series 6, the Apple Watch 7 could introduce several upgrades that make the best smartwatch even better. We may see a new health sensor, enhanced display, longer battery life and more. Everything we know about iPhone 13. The best Apple Watch deals right now. Apple has debuted a new smartwatch every year since 2015. In 2020, it actually released two, so we're confident an Apple Watch Series 7 is the pipeline. Apple Watch 7 price. Unless Apple opts to throw a financial curveball, we have a pretty good sense about what the Apple Watch 7 price will be. Traditionally, $399 is the company's entry-level price for its flagship smartwatch in the 40mm size with GPS. The price goes up to $429 for the 44mm size, plus another $100 to either size for cellular support. That said, changes to size options and connectivity could alter the Apple Watch cost. This could be the year we see Apple drop the price of cellular, too. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 with LTE is only $50 more, as is cellular for the mid-range Apple Watch SE. Better battery life. Patently, Apple has found evidence of Apple researching a way to increase the battery life of its wearables. The battery watch band could improve battery capacity without having to increase the size of the watch itself. We're accustomed to the 18 to 24-hour stamina of current models, but we'd welcome an Apple Watch that can last longer between charges. Blood pressure monitoring. There are a few reasons why blood pressure monitoring could come to Apple Watch next year. First, it's a viable candidate for the company's informally annual health feature upgrade. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 has a sensor for blood pressure monitoring, so there's already a template that Apple can follow. But it seems the company has a proprietary approach in mind. A patent filing recently won by Apple gives it a leg up in health tracking with built-in blood pressure monitoring that incorporates correction factors. For comparison, Samsung's blood pressure monitoring requires monthly calibration, which can be cumbersome. Micro-LED display. Apple Watch 7 could be ready to make the switch from an OLED display to a micro-LED screen, enabling a slimmer and more power-efficient Apple Watch. Micro-LED displays offer better brightness and don't suffer from the luminance decay problems of traditional OLED panels. In 2018, Bloomberg reported that the company is working out of a nondescript building in California to produce micro-LED displays. They didn't materialize for Apple Watch 6, but perhaps 2021's Apple Watch will get the new display treatment. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.